Here's my next video of CTET and STET. Hope you have seen my videos of principles of child pedagogy and topical areas of child pedagogy and many more. Now the next video is multiple choice questions, mostly expected questions in competitions. Pick the correct answer. There are 3 options given for each question. You have to pick one correct answer for the question. Question 1 is, learning is the process in which A option is the learned person stops learning. B option is learning proceeds lifelong. C option is children learn more and more. The first option is the learned person stops learning. This is not learning process. B is learning proceeds lifelong. Yes, a person learns till he dies. It means to say learning proceeds lifelong. So this answer is correct. Second question is, child development is a process of A option is slow, speedy movement. No. B, continuous, gradual, ongoing process. C is development in as usual. So here option B is correct, that child development is a process of continuous, gradual, ongoing process. Question number 3 is, child development means development in the length, breadth and fatness of children. We can use inductive deductive method for this because the fatness is not child development. Number B is development of mental and intellectual ability. Yes, in this, but some of the abilities are left in it. So option number C, overall development of a child. Yes, this answer is correct, that child development means overall development of a child. Question 4 is, which is the best method of study of child behavior? Inspection method, practical method, personal study method. The correct answer is personal study method. Question 5 is, what is the meaning of growth? Option A is change related to result. Option B is change related to measurement. And C option is both 1 and 2, A and B. So here change related to result is the wrong option. So we cannot put C. So the option will be B. Growth means change related to measurement. Question number 6 is, which age is called birth period? A option, by birth to 2 years. Option B, by birth to 3 years. Option C, by birth to 4 years. The correct answer is by birth to 3 years. Yes, the by birth to 3 years is known as the birth period of a child. Question 7 is, according to Vygotsky, which is the most important factor in the development of any child? A option is family, B option is school, and C is society. Here, society is the right option. According to Vygotsky, society is the most important factor in the development of any child. Question 8. Which is not the type of intelligence? A option mental knowledge, B option social knowledge, C option is solid knowledge. So mental knowledge is not a type of intelligence. Mental knowledge is the another name of intelligence. Question 9. The intelligence development of a child in the different stages of his age always be. A option is normal, B option is abnormal, and C is none of these. So here the answer is normal. Question number 10. Which is the best method of learning? Conversational method, project method, demonstration method. So the best method is project method. In this project method, the child learns by doing, applying the knowledge practically. So this is the best method of learning. The main reason behind the declination in the level of education is declination means kam hona, carelessness of students, incapacitation of students, and C option is both of these. Yes, the students are careless is also a reason of declination in the level of education, and somewhere incapacitation of teachers also declining the ratio of students in the school. So both the options are correct. Here the correct option is C. Next, question number 12 is, psychological knowledge is necessary in the all reign of life. Why? A option is to make life pleased. B option is to solve the problems of syllabus. C is none of these. Here we are talking about psychological knowledge. This is necessary to make life pleased, make life happy and pleasant. So A option is correct, to make life pleased. Question 13. The qualities which children get from their parents is clan? No. Heredity? Yes. Atmosphere? No. So the correct answer, the qualities which children get from their parents is heredity. Next question number 14 is, by which age habits develop in children? A option is by childhood, B option is by birth, and C option is by pregnancy period. So the correct answer is by birth. Yes, by birth, habits develop in children. Question 15 is, main objective of cardinal principle for education was? A option is, we should see the present education with present situation. B option is, we should emphasize on multi-usual syllabus. And C option is, we should teach that education which is useful in domestic solutions. So the correct answer is, we should see the present education with present situation. This is the main objective of cardinal principle of education. Question 16. Language development of children depends on better socio-economic environment. B option is freedom of expression given to the child. And C option is all the above. So, if we focus on both the points, better socio-economic environment, and B point, freedom of expression given to the child, helps for the language development of the children. So both the options are correct, but here we will write the C option because it says all the above. Question 17. Which of the following statement cannot be considered as a feature of the process of learning? A option is, educational institutions are the only place where learning takes place. B option is, learning is a comprehensive process. C option is, learning is goal oriented. So if we go back to the question, it is asked, statement cannot be considered. So the right option is, educational institutions are the only place where learning takes place. This is very clear that learning can take place anywhere, anytime. Question number 18. Audiovisuals in classroom cannot replace a teacher anyhow because A option, a teacher can achieve all the objectives of the three domains by his text. What are the three domains? Social development, physical development, and cognitive development. So all the domains can be achieved by the teacher. B option is, only an effective teacher can produce a good learning material to be communicated by radio, TV or computer. So both the options are correct, but we will take to the C option that says all the above. Next is question number 19 that says, critical pedagogy firmly believes that A option is, The learners need not reason independently. B option is what child learn out of school is irrelevant. And C option is the experience and perceptions of learners are important. So here correct answer is the experience and perceptions of the learners are important. Question number 20 says, which type of nature will you have in your class to increase the process of socialization? A option is strict, B option is loving and sympathetic, and C is normal. So the teacher should not be too strict, should be normal, but the nature of the classroom to increase the process of socialization should be loving and sympathetic, where the child feels free to ask their doubts, ideas, whatever comes to him or her. Question 21. Which of the following is the principle of development? Option A. It does not proceed at the same pace for all. Yes, there are differences in humans. B. It is a continuous process. C. All processes of development are not interconnected. So here the correct option is the principle of development is it does not proceed at the same pace for all. Psychology is a social science because option A. Its laws and principles are applicable to humans. Option B. It studies human behavior in human context. Both the answers are correct. So option C, both the above is the correct option. Question 23. Which of the following is a progressive education? Option A. Instruction based solely on prescribed textbooks. B option is emphasize on scoring good marks in examination. And C option is flexible timetable and seating. Yes, for progressive education, flexible timetable and seating is correct. Next question is, learners display individual differences, so our teachers should insist on uniform pace of learning. B option is provide a variety of learning experiences, and C option is increase number of tests. The correct option is for learners display individual differences, so a teacher should provide a variety of learning experiences. A teacher, because of his democratic nature, allows the student to sit all over the class. Some sit quietly and read themselves and discuss. Some read themselves only. A parent does not like it, he complains. Which is the following may be the best way to handle this situation? Option A. Parents should request the principal to change the section of their ward. B. The parents should show trust in the teacher and discuss the problem with the teacher. And C option is all the above. No, first is not the option. To change the section of their ward is not the solution. So correct answer is the parent should show trust in the teacher and discuss the problem with the teacher. Question 26. The concept of multiple intelligences was propounded by A option Guilford, B. Cattell, C. Gardner. The concept of multiple intelligences was propounded by Gardner. Question 27. Intelligence and creativity are option A. Positively related. Question B. Negatively related. And question C. Option C. Not related with each other at all. The correct option is intelligence and creativity are positively related. Lawrence Kohlberg is known for his research in the field of desk development. In my previous video, I have told about the theories of Lawrence Kohlberg also, that says that Kohlberg worked in the field of moral development. So the correct answer is moral. Option A, cognitive, is wrong. Option B, physical, is wrong. Lawrence Kohlberg is known for his research in the field of moral development. Question 29. Which is not a demerit of language? Generally, the student, what they make mistake is they do not focus on the question asked. Sometimes they forget. Here the question is asked in not. So pay attention to this, and the options are the wrong pronunciation is voice. B option is very high voice. And C option is no substitution of voice. It demerit. These are the merits. So the option is no substitution of voice is not a demerit of language. Question 30. Which of the following is a correct match? A option early childhood, autonomy versus shame, doubt. B. Adolescence dash intimacy versus isolation. C. Middle adulthood, trust versus mistrust. The correct option is early childhood, autonomy versus shame, doubt. Now, thanks to all. Hope you will get success, and success is bound to happen to you if you repeatedly practice these MCQs and watch the videos. Watch my next videos of child pedagogy and many more about CTT and STT, etc. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share to get my videos first as downloading. Please comment in the comment box if there is any doubt. Thank you for being connected and stay tuned with me. Watch and share my videos and subscribe to for the more videos. I hope this will be helpful to you to qualify the examination of CTET, State TET and many more. Thank you once again. Kindly subscribe, share and watch videos continuously.